And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Good Tuesday morning. Your time right now is 6:43. Let's get right into your forecast to get you going for the day. No umbrellas are needed. The First Warn 5 Doppler network is quiet. We've just seen maybe a few isolated showers situated offshore, and that's pretty much where they're going to stay for the day ahead. Temperature-wise, I want to say it's mild, but it is a little bit muggy out there. We still have that continued high humidity, so it's only going to feel hotter as the day goes on. So dress lightly as you head out for your early morning exercise. It'll be right around 76 in Rio Grande City as well as Brownsville, 75 in McAllen, Weslaco area, 74 today right now in Edinburg, 72 down that I-69E corridor from Raymondville into Harlingen, and then 81 degrees to start your day on the island. But when we look to our north, we do see some cooler weather. Amarillo right around 50 degrees this morning, 60 in Midland, a little bit cooler there in El Paso this morning near 64, but the rest of the state pretty much in the mid to low 70s this morning. We continue to pull in all that humid air from the Gulf, and when you look at that, it stays pretty humid, and that's because our cold front is well to the north, and it's going to take its time getting here. It's not going to get here today, not tomorrow, but we're talking about Thursday. So until then, a lot of hot and humid weather is on the way, and it'll stay above average in terms of your heat over the next couple of days. But the thing about it is that front will arrive Thursday afternoon, bringing with it ahead of it a few showers, possibly even a few thunderstorms, and behind it we could even see a few showers that'll linger into Friday morning. But then we have some chilly nights and some mild days ahead, so we do have that change that some people are looking forward to. Until then, it will continue to feel a lot like summer. We're tracking the tropics here on Channel 5 News this morning, and we're taking a look at the remnants of, well, what is post-tropical cyclone Nicole, still situated over near Newfoundland, but falling apart as it moves to the north and northeast. It's expected to take a more northerly turn, but it's still going to stay over open water. The only thing it's really doing is providing rough swells along the northeastern seaboard and along the northeastern Canadian border. Now, taking a look here at the Caribbean, we are watching this area low pressure kind of situated to the north and east of southeastern Bahamas, and this particular system has around a 70% chance of developing over the next 5 days, but it will be a gradual development if it does continue to intensify. But from the looks of it, it's supposed to stay kind of over in the Caribbean, moving into the Atlantic over the next few days, but it's something to bear watch just because hurricane season isn't quite over yet. It won't be done until the end of November. Taking a look at it along our coast, south-southeast winds today at 8 to 15 knots for you boaters, a moderate chop on the bay. Nearshore waters will range between 2 and 3 feet. Fishermen, your high tide is at 7:40 later on tonight. So let's take a look at today. We'll be at 97 degrees. Winds out of the south-southeast at 8 to 16. Really hot, really humid, feeling like the triple digits. Rio Grande City, you'll be close. Look at that, 101 today, 100 in McAllen, 99 in Edinburg, 97 Weslaco, Raymondville, and Harlingen, to 94 in Brownsville, and 88 on the island. And although the island is a little bit cooler, it'll still feel like the triple digits just because all of that humid air isn't going anywhere just yet. Tonight, 74 will be your overnight low. Tomorrow, 94 degrees. And then we slowly get that change. You'll notice we go down to around 89 degrees for Thursday with those spotty showers, but then Thursday night temperatures dip down into the lower 60s. We're talking about 63 degrees as your overnight low. If you work outdoors, get ready to wear a jacket. Look at Friday night, 55 after we spend the day in the upper 70s. It will be breezy and a little bit cooler, a lot less humid as we head into the weekend with temperatures right around 82 to start the weekend, 86 to wrap it up. Your overnight lows will still be in the mid to low 60s as we roll into next week. The humid air will return by Monday afternoon. High temperatures will be in the upper 80s with a spotty shower or two around. So a couple more days of hot and humid weather and then a fall-like little retreat. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.